Hi everyone.
Good morning.
Yes, we wait for a few minutes more and then we'll start it. You may on your videos also. If you want. Most are out here. What articles for professionals? You can start anyone. Okay. So this session is getting recorded. So in case anyone is not able to understand a part of it, don't worry because the session is going to be recorded. You will not face that much of difficulty. Okay. We are now getting started with it. I'm sharing the screen. Hope the screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
If anyone is in the queue, right, let them to write it out here in case I'm not able to see it. Queue. Type in. Okay. Okay. So this data you can see out here. This is the client is giving this sort of data. Okay. So there is customers invoice number, invoice due date, amount, and days past. We have to make a debtors aging schedule for this. This is required in audits, basically stat audit or internal audit. We have to find out the debtors aging schedule. So how will we prepare it? One approach will be to do it with if, but if function will make it more complicated. You have to use a lot of things. The easier way to do this, we have given this data days past, we can do it through pivot table. This is the basic level one. You can use the pivot table and you can do this in 2 minutes, 1 or 2 minutes itself. This is the data. You will be able to make like this. 1 second, I have to minimize this. I'm not able to see this. So how will you make it? You will select this full, insert, pivot table, new tab. Choose where you want to place it. New tab, okay. When you do okay, this screen will pop up and just you have to drag it to the customer one, amount to year and days passed out here. Then this table will be made in very easily. Hope this is clear. In any doubt out here, it is very simple, I think. किसी को कोई doubt है like how to make a pivot table and all? You can write in the chat box also. I'm not able to see the chat box, but this is very simple. You just have to make sure that you have to drag, select this pivot table, new worksheet. If you do okay, once you do okay, you have to drag and drop out here customer name, sum amount, and days passed, and you can make this in seconds. Okay. If anybody has any doubts, you can tell me afterwards also. You can connect with me. I will send you the mail ID. So any doubts, you can collect them. I will share you all these files also. So not a problem if you're not able to understand now also. Okay. This is an easy way. Second thing is, suppose you are given this sales register. I'm starting with some easier points, then we take it more complicated. Suppose this is a file that you have been given. I'm just training it. 1 second. Suppose you have been given a file like this. First you do this. So you have to split this. How will you split this? Data, text to column, delimited. By delimited, you are just splitting this field. Next. And here there is a slash column is out here. So you can, by others, you can put this slash is showing out here. You put this slash. See, you can see very well that this is getting changed out here. And you can do next, finish. See, this has been done this way. You are able to split in 3 parts. This is by the help of text to column function. For example, if I need some now, I need only this data. For example, I need this. I put out here this. Now I want this data to come without putting any effort of mine. What I can do is data slash fill. Every data came simultaneously. Anybody has doubt, they can say me now also, no problem. If you're not able to understand now, am I going fast? You can connect with me in mail also. We'll be able to discuss that. And these files, once you practice these files, everything will be okay. Okay. Next, we will move to Pareto analysis. So we have done pivot, text to column, data judging schedule, flash fill. Now the next is Pareto analysis. What is a Pareto analysis? Pareto analysis, if you have done in costing or somewhere, Pareto analysis is your 20% of the product is generating 80% of the value. 20% of anything is generating 20-80 rule. It is generating 80% of the value. Suppose the client gives you data like this, and you have to do the vouching. Here out here, there are 361 invoices. In practical life, you will get around 1 lakh invoices also if it's a big company. So how will you vouch? You will not vouch everything. You will do the materiality. So you will vouch only the material transactions only. So how will you do that? Very simple approach is you will do you will select full, insert, pivot table, choose where you want the pivot report to be placed. New worksheet. New worksheet, okay. As soon as you do okay, this set will appear. Here, what you have to do is you have to drag invoice out here and 3 times invoice out here, and then this column will be made. Let it once I make, and then it will be much easier. New worksheet, okay, okay. Now, what I will do is invoice value. If anybody wants to practice side by side, they can do. Otherwise, you can do it later on also. It's not an issue. You just need to see overall, get an idea how it is being getting prepared. Then you can practice later on. One time out here, invoice value, 4 times in the values column. This is getting grouped. In case it is not getting grouped, you can do right click, group, and you can do the grouping by 1 lakh, whatever amount you think is feasible. You can do the grouping out here like this. This you have to summarize by sum. This one. As a percentage of grand total. This I'm doing the percentage of this. This is the count function, and this I'm doing the similar way. I'm doing the percentage. Now you can see very well by checking only around 21 invoices, I am able to cover 72% of the invoice value. So if I ask the management to only see me this much, 21 invoices, I will be able to check. I will be able to check the material transactions out of it. So this way the Pareto analysis can help you to do it in Excel very easily. You can do the materiality concept. I hope it's clear. यहाँ तक कोई को डाउट है, like anybody has doubt, like they are not understanding anything, कुछ भी डाउट है अभी पूछ लो. No need to be say more. Anybody has any doubt कि समझ में आया कि कुछ भी नहीं आया? I am not able to see the chat one. मुझे चैट बॉक्स दिख रहा नहीं है, तो एक बार किसको बोलना है तो बोल दो कि कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है समझ में, या they were able to understand little bit.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt ना? Okay, then it's good. ऐसा नहीं कि हम समझाते जा रहे पर समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, वो दिक्कत वाला बात हो जाएगा. ओके ओके, नाउ सी दिस इज लिटिल बिट कॉम्प्लेक्स. अब थोड़ा बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स फंक्शन आएगा तो वी विल उससे थोड़ा एक और इजी ले लेते हैं, क्योंकि बेसिक एक्सेल थोड़ा ठीक रहता है. Run this. ये बैंक ऑडिट्स में ज्यादा करके मिलता है दिस टाइप ऑफ फाइल्स. हम हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों रख रहे हैं. इफ एनीबॉडी हैज प्रॉब्लम विद इंग्लिश तो इसको कोई दिक्कत ना हो. ओके okay, I got some text to column. Repeat please. Okay sir, can we watch this recorded? Yes, we can watch this. What did you teach before the text to columns? वो सब recorded मिल जाएगा. और क्या है everything. Okay, click होगा. इन केस एनीबॉडी डाउट, मेरे को एक्चुअली चैट बॉक्स कभी कभी दिखाई दे रहा है तो वो बोल दे एक बार के लिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. और ये रिपीट ये रिकॉर्डेड है और यू विल गेट द फाइल्स. वंस यू डू विद द फाइल्स देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू ग्रैब एवरीथिंग. ओके, दिस इज टेक्स्ट टू कॉलम का ही टाइप का है. इन बैंक ऑडिट्स और एनीथिंग क्लाइंट गिव्स यू अ टेक्स्ट फाइल लाइक दिस. ऐसा टेक्स्ट फाइल मिलेगा तो इसको हम लोग को इसको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता है एक्सेल में. हाउ विल यू डू दैट? एक एक्सेल फाइल कोई भी खोल सकता है या एग्जिस्टिंग फाइल में भी हो जाएगा. their data, you see the data from text, data from text. delimited, choose the file type that base describes. delimited क्या करता है, इसको separate करने का काम कर रहा है. it's just separating this. so we'll do next. टेक्स्ट टू कॉलम कुछ नहीं है, नेक्स्ट 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 दबाते जाना है बस. नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट. यहाँ पर क्या चीज से सेपरेट हो रहा है? सेमी कॉलम से करना है. उस टाइम किया था स्लैश से, भी सेमी कॉलम से. पिछला बार हम यहाँ पर करके ये किया था. आई एम नॉट डूइंग दिस, आई एम डूइंग सेमी कॉलन. ये देखो जैसे सेमी कॉलन आई एम डूइंग, दिस इज गेटिंग सेपरेटेड. and just have to do next and finish and okay. This is done in that way. ये हो गया टेक्स्ट टू कॉलम. इसको नहीं समझ में आया तो दिस इज द वे टू डू द टेक्स्ट टू कॉलम. This also text to column from this sheet. Text to column. ठीक. अब थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो सकता है फंक्शन, कुछ थोड़ा बहुत ज्यादा भी नहीं होगा, बट दिस आर ऑल प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशंस. अभी डेटा रेजिंग शेड्यूल कर लिया, जो बैंक ऑडिट में लगता है टेक्स्ट टू कॉलम वो कर लिए, पैरेटो एनालिसिस कर लिए, वाउचिंग कैसे करता है मटेरियल ट्रांजैक्शन को, और टेक्स्ट टू कॉलम फ्लैश फिल यूज करना सीख लिया. तो दे हैव डन लॉट ऑफ फंक्शन, टेक्स्ट टू कॉलम, फ्लैश फिल, पाइवेट टेबल, डेटा रेजिंग शेड्यूल. तो अब हम लोग करते हैं दिस. Now, this is little complicated लगेगा, but row fix होता है, like first row fix, column fix, cell fix. Now, how will you fix a cell? जैसे कोई मेरे को सेल को फिक्स करना है, सपोज मुझे ये सेल चाहिए, ठीक है. How I will be fixing the cell? F4 दबाने से. So, अगर मैं इसमें F4 दबाऊंगा, जैसे G2 है, if I put F4 तो वो हमारा सेल फिक्स कर देता है. Now if I have to do a row fix, similar way, if I have to do a row fix, मतलब मुझे ये रो को फिक्स करना है, तो I have to put the dollar sign before the number. You can see this is number, here are numbers, so I have to put a dollar sign before the number to make the row fix. Similarly, if I have to do a column fix, I have to put a dollar sign before the alphabet, like this. So if you do 2 times F4, then you will be able, you suppose you did this, and 2 times F4 if you press in the calculator in a particular cell, you will do row fix. 3 times if you do F4, you will do the column fix, and 1 time also if you will do, you will get the cell fix. So this is pretty simple. Practice करने से हो जाए. Now there is indirect function. This is used in a lot of areas like project financing or financial modeling or anything like a valuation concepts. So this is quite important, indirect function. Okay. What is indirect function? Let's see the syntax, what this says. Indirect function returns the reference specified by a text strings. Means, लिख लेता है इधर में, indirect function. What? Indirect returns the reference specified by a text string. Returns the reference specified by a text string. Text string. Main word क्या है? Text and reference. Now, if you see very well, यहाँ पर indirect function लगाया था. C8 क्या है? C8 ये है. तो returns the reference specified by a text string. तो इस text के अंदर में string है, text string हो गया, और यहाँ पर जो C8 है, C8 ये है. So if you see very well, it is returning the reference specified by a text string. So this is indirect function, very simple. Similarly, now I have done D16. What is D16? D16 is out here, I guess. D16. This is D16, 56 it is coming. Similar way we can do this way also. D bracket में रखते हैं and 16 I did. Similar result is coming. This is not that difficult. But its application is very widely used. Now indirect function, I can do the average also, I can do the sum also. D22 by D26. अगर मैं देखूं D22 से D26 क्या होता है? It is written D22 से D26. D22, 23, 24, 25, 26. इसका एवरेज आ रहा है 50 रुपया 50 पैसा. This here you can see out here. Okay. Similarly, sum. Similarly, you can do the sum also. 46, 146. And we can do the plus also. C22 and D22. C22 क्या है? C22. C22 and D22. 57. Any doubt till here? कोई doubt है किसी को? Indirect function नहीं समझ में आया? चैट्स तो दिखाई दे रहा नहीं है मुझे, तो कोई को डाउट? इट इज इजी, मतलब अभी तक चैट में देखते कुछ दिखा. प्लीज आई एम नॉट एबल टू हियर यू, काइंडली स्लो डाउन योर स्पीड अ लिटिल. ओके ठीक है. आई एम फ्रॉम इंग्लिश एंड ओके ओके. In case like कोई को doubt हो रहा है, like if anybody has doubts, okay, there are some from south also, so I am talking in English also, but at the same time, if anybody, you can see watch this is getting recorded itself also. In case I'm getting very fast, you will be able to see it again, okay, and the files will be shared to you. Okay. So this is the indirect function. So this is return reference specified by a text string. Out here see C8 is 34. तो मुझे को क्या करना है? इनडायरेक्ट फंक्शन लगाना है. इनडायरेक्ट एंड सेमीकोलन C8. You can see C8 and enter. It is very simple. You are just returning the reference specified by a text string. ये C8 में जो भी reference आ रहा है, I am just putting that answer out here. Similar process we have to do this. It will be better. Yeah. Anybody has any doubts?
Sir, this indirect function is used for the linking of cells.
Could you be a little loud? I am not able to hear.
Sir, we use the indirect function to link a cell, like to go to that link, like where is the 34, then 34 is there in that number of the C column.
I'm not able to hear you. Could you type in once?
Yeah.
Whether indirect function is used to link the cells, like where there is 34, then go to link by control this. Okay, let's try that way. Link हो रहा है क्या?
फाल्गुनी पाटिल.
Indirect.
एक 10 भाई मैं 10
Not linking. Link नहीं होगा. You have to put it by hand. Equals to indirect semicolon. Sorry, double quotes. C8 it is there. So C8. One thing you more see out here. If I am dragging it also, यहाँ पर मैं relative reference करता हूँ, नीचे नहीं जा रहा है, like C9, C10 ऐसे नहीं लेगा ये कभी. You have to put by hand only. I can understand कि कुछ अभी भोजन बेसिक एक्सेल वाला होगा, तो लोगों को थोड़ा लग रहा होगा like this is getting little bit like fast and all, but if you practice this, it will be easier. Okay, let's suppose now indirect function. If anybody is like not in mode, please mute yourself. It will be easier for others also. Okay, suppose यहाँ पर एक फंक्शन है like अल्ट्रा, मुझे ये डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है और ये फंक्शन यहाँ पर मैं पुट करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल, हाउ आई कैन डू विद इनडायरेक्ट फंक्शन, लेट्स सी. सो इनडायरेक्ट फंक्शन हमने लगाया. सपोज अगर मेरे को ऐसे लेना होता, अगर तो आई वुड हैव डन हाउ लाइक आई वुड डन इक्वल्स टू एंड दिस, इट केम लाइक दिस. यहाँ से यही चीज को मैं इनडायरेक्ट से कैसे कर सकता हूँ. सी, इनडायरेक्ट फंक्शन हमने इसको कॉपी कर लिया, C32 एंड द व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एस्क एलिमिनेशन मार्क एंड ऊपर का E11. सिमिलर वे डन आउट हियर. अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर क्या था, लुक ऑफ फंक्शंस एस्क एलिमिनेशन E11, इट वाज द सेम थिंग आई हैव डन आउट हियर आल्सो. Indirect look of functions exclamation mark and this E20 E11. One thing you have to note is that there should be no space in between this. अगर कोई space हुआ, for example अगर इसमें space है, reference आ गया, again I am repeating this, अगर यहाँ पर कोई भी इन केस मीटिंग वो हो जाता है, स्टॉप हो जाता है, यू कैन अगेन ज्वाइन इट. ओके, इन केस होता है तो आई थिंक वी आर कवरिंग अप. तो इन केस ये देखो यहाँ पर मैं आई पुट अ स्पेस पुट करते ही दिस फंक्शन इज नॉट वर्किंग. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि यहाँ पर में स्पेस नहीं हो, देयर शुड बी नो स्पेस, देन ओनली दिस इज वर्किंग. सिमिलरली यू कैन डू द सेकेंड फंक्शन, थर्ड, फोर्थ. I've just extracted the data from this function. Okay. Similarly, what if and else? This was the table. I extracted the data 60,000. How will I do this? Indirect function, I put this into this plus into indirect C40 into this. For example, I have to get this answer as 60,000. Please mute the video if anybody is. Hitesh, your sound is coming, I think. Okay. So by this you can do indirect function. You can put what if analysis B2 into what if analysis B3. What is B2? B2 is number of students 30 and B2 and B3. B2 and B3. So if you do 2000 into 30, it comes to around 60,000. That only we have done with the help of indirect function. We have just multiplied it and we got the answer. Like this, we have done multiplication, B2 into B3, same thing it came. This is just for cross checking. I put in both the things. This is not complicated. आप क्या करो, हम क्या करते हैं? I just put first this into this. So I got this function like this. Now what I have to do is, forget about this. What if analysis, SQ elimination B2. तो what if analysis यहाँ पर हमने कॉपी कर लिए, B2 ऊपर में कॉपी कर लिए. जो ये दोनों को जोड़े into what if analysis B3, and I got this answer with the indirect function. Similarly ये है, ये practice करना, same thing है. It will be okay. I hope यहाँ तक क्लियर है. कोई को डाउट लाइक अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया इनडायरेक्ट फंक्शन? Anybody has any doubt in indirect function? Can we proceed further, or यहाँ तक कोई को डाउट anything in regard to anything like? Any doubt still out here, like indirect function, text to column, Pareto analysis? You can tell in the chat box also. No doubt. So we are proceeding further again. Okay. So this is a lookup function. Okay. So this is a lookup function. There is VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match, offset match. So lookup function, this is a table given to you. This is the table. With the use of different types of lookup function, you have to get the values. पहले देखो value आया कैसे? How the value has arrived? This is 1st August 2003. I think Swati is having a problem. Yourself on mute, I guess. Okay. Swati. Okay. So this is a table. So this is a table which you can see VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match, offset match. So suppose 1st August 2003, you can see out here, 1st August 2003. You can see this value has been come from here, 1st August 2003, Ultratech Cement. So how this value came, VLOOKUP, with the help of VLOOKUP and match function, we have done this. So what is a VLOOKUP function? You can see the function. जब भी like कोई भी Excel functions कर रहे हैं, you can see you can do it. You can do once the syntax. You can read the syntax once. It looks for the value in the leftmost column of the table and then returns the value in the same row from the column you specify. Means in this table, it will look for the leftmost column of the table, which is the leftmost column of the table. For example, if I have taken this, so C11 is your leftmost column. It is the leftmost column of the table. Then what he says, in the leftmost column and then it will return the value in the same row from the column you specify. In the same row column you specify. So 1st August 2003, it will look in this table.
Yeah.
And it will return the adjacent, the corresponding value to it. Okay, so this way you can practice this. So you just have to put VLOOKUP C11. This is the table array which I've taken in the down. Now match function is used to find the position, which position you want. So B11, I want Ultratech cement position. Ultratech का क्या position है? I have to find out. And एक चीज याद रखना, जब हम Ultratech match function use कर रहे हैं B11 को, I am comparing from this only. हम सिर्फ इसी से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं और इसमें से सेकंड पोजीशन में आया तो आई एम पुटिंग द वैल्यू. इसको अगर हम 2 भी पुट करता, अगर ये नहीं करके हम डायरेक्टली 2 पुट करता, देन ऑल्सो इफ आई पुट 2 आउट हियर लाइक दिस, देन ऑल्सो द वैल्यू इज कमिंग द सेम, कंट्रोल Z. बट मुझे तो चाहिए कि अगर यहाँ पर कोई दूसरा नाम आ जाता, सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर मैं आता DCBL फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये देखो फिगर चेंज हो जा रहा है ऑटोमेटिकली. So this is becoming more dynamic function now. That's why we have used the match function. Match function or VLOOKUP you have done. It looks for the value in the leftmost column and then return the value in the same array from the column you specify. What does a match function do? It returns the position of the item in the array that matches the specified value in the specified order. मतलब Ultratech cement कहाँ पर है, ये इसमें सेकेंड रो में है तो पोजीशन वो बताएगा फॉर दैट. सिमिलरली यू कैन डू द H lookup is it will look horizontally, it will look horizontally. Okay, so H lookup and V lookup is exactly the same. Main thing is the index match and offset match. I will suggest कि index match और offset match एक बार आप और practice खुद से करिएगा, because this is little complicated. अभी आपको ये अगर कोई को नहीं आता है तो उसको थोड़ा ये complicated लगेगा. If you are not understanding, then I will be index match. आप इसका एक बार syntax पढ़िएगा. इसमें array, row number, column number ये सब मांगता है like. And it is similar to VLOOKUP का ही काम करता है, but यहाँ पर बेनिफिट ये है इंडेक्स मैच में आप खाली टेबल एरे सिलेक्ट किया, यहाँ पर में लेफ्ट मोस्ट का कोई वो नहीं है लाइक ना. VLOOKUP के लिए आपका ये जो आप जिसको लुकअप कर रहे हैं उसको लेफ्ट मोस्ट कॉलम में होने से काम करेगा. इट विल ओनली वर्क व्हेन इट इज इन द लेफ्ट मोस्ट कॉलम, बट इन इंडेक्स मैच देयर इज नो सच कंडीशन आउट देयर. इंडेक्स मैच का सिंटैक्स एरर देखिएगा, देयर इज नो सच. It is asking array, table array, you have to selecting row number and the column number, and it is able to get your the lookup value. For example, this is the table array B16 to this matching C11. C11 is your this date, and you can get the C11. It is getting as the row match function, and you are getting the answer. Offset match similarly way. Once you practice this, and then we can get into it. Now it comes to what if analysis. Now ये बहुत अच्छा फंक्शन है, what if analysis. Suppose you are given this function कि I'm just giving you a brief about everything. एक बार आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ जाएगा, because files are made self-explanatory with many examples, so you should not face a problem once you get the files. I am quite confident about that. Still, if you have a problem, तो आप हमको पर्सनली बोलिएगा तो I will be able to help you out. Okay? पर आपको प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद ही होगा. आप बिना प्रैक्टिस किए कुछ नहीं है होने वाला है. You have to practice this once. Suppose I'm just giving an overview about how the everything is done, and also the sessions is getting recorded, so you'll get that as well. So that is not a problem. Okay. The fees per student is 2000. Number of student is 30. Suppose मैं एक स्टूडेंट से 2000 ले रहा हूँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, और स्टूडेंट 30 है और नंबर ऑफ बैचेस 15 है, तो मैं कमाऊंगा कितना? I will earn around per batch I am getting 60,000. Annually I am getting 9 lakhs. I am getting 9 lakhs annually, 9 lakh रुपया. Now this table is given to you. Suppose I want to increase my student from 2000 to 4000 or 6000, 8000, 10,000, 12,000, 14,000, and student का level ये है. So what will be the revenue that I will be earning at each level? What will be the annual revenue? Suppose अगर 4,000 होता and 7 students होता, so I would have earned 4,20,000 instead of 9 lakhs rupees. Instead of 9 lakh, I would have earned 4,20,000. Suppose it would have been 6,000 as a revenue per student and 7 students, so it will be 6,30,000. Now these functions come in financial modeling. अब फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग जब शेयर का वैल्यूएशन करेगा या कोई का इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू निकालना होगा या मर्जर एंड एक्विजिशन में ये ज्यादा करके यूज होता है दिस टाइप ऑफ फंक्शंस. M&A ट्रांजैक्शंस में जब बाई का टारगेट निकालना होता है, देन दिस फंक्शंस आर कमिंग. सिनेरियो एनालिसिस. सो हाउ आई डिड इट, यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट दिस data what if analysis, data table. It is asking two things, row input cell, column input cell. बहुत easy है. Row input cell, column input cell. Row input cell ऊपर वाला होता है, column input cell नीचे वाला होता है आपका हमेशा column. तो row input cell क्या होगा? Number of students per batch. Number of student per batch. तो यहाँ पर मैं क्लिक कर दिए. Column input cell fees per student. तो fees per student ये है और OK कर दिए. You get the answer. Very simple. इसमें खाली रो इनपुट आपको सिलेक्ट करना है, डेटा व्हाट इफ एनालिसिस, डेटा टेबल, रो इनपुट सेल, इनपुट कॉलम सेल. आप अगर उल्टा पुल्टा डाल के देख लो, आप अगर सपोज इसमें मैं डालता हूं, सपोज ये डाल दिया, व्हाट इज दिस, फीस पर स्टूडेंट, मैंने रो में डाल दिया एंड आई डिड दिस एंड आई डू ओके. This is changing accordingly. ठीक है, so this is changing accordingly. ठीक है, मेन थिंग क्या है इसमें, one thing you have to note that one important thing to note here is the input and output data must be in same page, otherwise data table will not वर्क. क्या मतलब हुआ लाइन का, that this data, this is the input data and this output, it has to be in the same page, then only this will work. अगर हमको एक्सट्रैक्ट यहाँ से कोई डेटा लेके करना है, it will not work that way. Okay, any doubt out here? या anybody has any doubt? Now we are going to the end only. इसमें और सारा स्मॉल फंक्शंस है, लाइक स्कैगर फंक्शंस है, EMI का कैलकुलेशंस है, यूज ऑफ एडवांस फिल्टर है, एक्साइर रिटर्न्स है, एंड लाइक XNPV है, स्लोप है, MIRR रिटर्न्स है। दिस आर सिंपल, अगर आप एक बार प्रैक्टिस करेगा तो मेरे हिसाब से यू विल बी एबल टू गेट इट। इन केस यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन लेट मी नो। ओके, ये बहुत सिंपल फंक्शंस है, आई विल बी शेयरिंग दिस। ओके, रेट फंक्शन हो गया, यील्ड टू मैच्योरिटी निकालने वाला, या FB हो गया, फ्यूचर वैल्यू। दिस फंक्शंस आर यूज्ड इन द फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग, उस सब में यूज होता है, वैल्यूएशन निकाले गए, प्रोजेक्ट फाइनेंसिंग, प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्टिंग वॉपर में। फिर ट्रेस प्रेसिडेंट फंक्शन है, दिस ऑल्सो यू कैन डू इट लाइक ये फॉर्मूला बार में किया ट्रेस प्रेसिडेंट, तो यू आर एबल टू डू दिस। ये बहुत काम का फंक्शन है। ट्रेस डिपेंडेंट हो गया, ट्रेस डिपेंडेंट, यू आर एबल टू डू इट, ट्रेस डिपेंडेंट। सो फॉर्मूला कंट्रोल this this is a shortcut, or you can do it so formula. Okay, so we are closing out here only. Okay, we are keeping out till here. I will be sharing all the files to you. Hope the session was good at your end, and we will make next time. Till then, okay, I hope it was useful. इसमें सब कुछ covered है, एक बार आप देखिएगा ये files में। Any doubt you have, you can connect with me. I will share the mail ID and you will be able to do this. Okay. I hope it was good. I think यहाँ तक how is it was like the files everything, जो भी कुछ नया था कि पुराना ही था, like anybody? We'll save. Files for practice. ठीक है, तो वी आर एंडिंग आउट हियर ओनली। ओके, इसमें सब कुछ मैं दे दिया हूँ, मैं फाइल्स दे दूंगा। ओके, फॉर यू ऑल। So we're closing out here.